All right, guys, the title and the thumbnail says it all. We about to whip up some good groceries here in this kitchen. I'm gonna show you guys how to make this creamy chicken mushroom stroganoff. Y'all ready? Get in the kitchen, let's go. All right, guys, let's do a quick rundown of today's recipe. Back here, we have our chicken right here. I cut them in bite-sized pieces. Mushrooms here, chicken broth, chopped garlic, Dijon mustard, smoked paprika, black pepper, olive oil, garlic powder, a W sauce, butter, flour, salt, heavy whipping cream, and we have some chopped onions there. So that's all you need. Let's get into it. To get started, we're gonna season our chicken. We added our salt, our garlic powder, and our black pepper. And we're just gonna get this baby mixed together. Just like that, guys. All right, let's continue. All right, to get started, we're gonna heat up our olive oil, bring that pan up to temperature, get it hot. All right, once that pan heats up, we're gonna add our chicken. And we're gonna let these cook about 5 to 7 minutes until they're cooked all the way through. All right, so it looks like we're good, man. We've had our chicken here for about 7 minutes. We got that color on it that we like. It's cooked all the way through. We're gonna go ahead and remove our chicken pieces. I'm gonna add them here to a bowl. Let's pause our heat. All right. All right, so we're gonna unpause our heat. In the same pan, we're gonna melt some butter. All right, as that butter starts to melt, we're gonna add our onions. And we're gonna saute these babies until they're softened. This could take about 3 to 5 minutes. So once those onions are softened, we're gonna go in with our garlic. We're gonna let this cook for another minute or so. After that minute, we're gonna go in with our mushrooms and our flour. And we're gonna cook this until the mushrooms are brown, and then some of that moisture has evaporated. Once those mushrooms get some color on it, you wanna go in with your Dijon mustard, follow that up with your chicken broth slowly, and as you pour it in, you wanna stir it around, deglazing the pan. Once you get that pan deglazed, we're gonna come behind that with our heavy whipping cream, our W sauce, and our smoked paprika. We're gonna get this mixed in, and we're gonna let this cook for 3 to 5 minutes, allowing this mixture to thicken. All right, so after that 3 to 5 minutes, once that sauce is thickened as you see it, we're gonna return our chicken to the pan. We're gonna let that warm through for another 2 to 3 minutes. All right, so we're about 3 minutes in. I think we are good right here, guys. We're going to turn our heat off. Let's move over to our cutting board, take our final look. That way we can get into quality control. All right, so now we're at our cutting board. The only finishing touches I'm gonna add, we're gonna put some of that green stuff over here, which is some fresh parsley. And guys, there you have it. Chicken mushroom stroganoff. Let me know what you think about this in the comment section below. We're gonna go ahead and jump into quality control because it's time to do a quick taste test. All right, this quality control time. We got our chicken mushroom stroganoff. Oh man, look at that. Whew. Man, this baby looking delicious. I like to call it delicioso. Let's get some of them noodles. And as you see, guys, I put it over noodles. You can put it over mashed potatoes. It's totally up to you. Rice, whatever you want to do. I had some noodles and decided to put it over some noodles. Let's go ahead and take a bite. Oh man, the stroganoff is stroganoffing. Try it, baby. Oh man, oh man. I think I actually like it better with noodles than mashed potatoes. Those noodles are soaking up that sauce. So guys, definitely check this one out. Until then, y'all already know who I am. This is All Wings Everything. And remember, him not a chef. Him just cook a lot. And I'm out. Peace.